Hello everyone, I was given this Bitvae Sonic electric toothbrush for the purpose of this review. This seems like a very good quality product. I have been using their water flosser for several weeks now and really like it. I like this company because you can tell by the packaging it's very nice, and they also put a lot of thought into their product. Their product design is very nice and you can tell it's very good quality. And you can see here that it comes with a travel case. It also has a free app that you can download if you want to play around with that. It also has a pressure indicator. It's travel friendly and it's supposed to have a really long battery life. So I did an unboxing earlier. It comes with 8 brushes, and let me open up this case first here. You can see it in here, this travel case. It's it's a good looking brush. It comes with 6 of these deep clean heads here, and 2 of these heads with the soft bristles for sensitive teeth. It says 100 days of battery life, and you can fully charge it in about 4 hours. The battery cord plugs into the bottom here. When you're done charging, you can stand it up like this. This whole thing is waterproof, so you can rinse it off when you're done. This has been accepted by the American Dental Association. So to use it, all you need to do is put the head on, and it kind of just pushes into place. And you can turn it on here with the power button. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear like the ultrasonic motor, and it is really strong. I did get to use it, and it is very strong and powerful. It has 5 brushing modes, so from the top it goes from white to clean, soft, gum care, and has a smart option. So the more powerful options are at the top. Now the smart mode helps you to customize your brushing experience to your needs. It allows you to choose between 9 levels of brushing intensity with that smart app. It also has a red light pressure sensor. If you're pressing too hard, you can see that. That lights up so you can see that to make sure you're not pressing too hard and hurting your gums. Okay, so this comes with the ultrasonic motor that they say generates 40,000 micro brush movements per minute. And I can tell you that it is very strong, and it is going to get your teeth clean. One thing to notice is this brush shakes back and forth. There's the other brush styles with the rotary. It kind of has a rotary head. This is not that. This brush is straight back and forth. Let me see again if you can see it. It's hard to see, but it vibrates really. It's a really strong vibration, and it does. You can feel that when you brush your teeth. So I think this is a very good product. My only critique would be just to get a little more grip on here. It has a smooth finish, but not much of a grip. If I were to change anything, I'd put like a little bit of maybe rubber ribbing or something, or more of like a rubber type kind of grip on the outside, so you can grip it better. But overall, this seems like a really good product. One other thing I just noticed is to charge it, you have to plug it into the base right there. So you're gonna have to lay it on the table on its back. I thought it'd be nice if maybe there was a charging plug in the back or something, so you can kind of stand it up. Or if it has a certain kind of base to put the handle on. So here's a travel case. And all you need to do is take your brush head off, and it fits in like that. And then you can put your brush heads in here. And you are ready to go. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.